So I'm sure most of you have seen Baby Blue. This is my first bike I got, and I put a lot of money into it, like $500–600 in upgrades. Probably more now because I just put more into it. New carb and everything. And then I got this one. It's kind of taken apart right now because I was redoing a bunch of stuff. But it's all red. I'm sure you've seen the pictures of it glowing like a freaking, I don't know what, just super red in here. The whole place is red when I put the lights on. It's got 8 feet of underglow lights plus 2 rock lights. One in each fender so that it lights up the wheels. And then, so the next bike I'm building, which I want to try and get it done for the weekend because I want to take it to the MX track, is my 125. I got this bike for $100 because this is how it came. Except that there was a gas tank that's in there. But I mean, originally it did have compression, but now this thing's not working at all. Hopefully it's not too big of a problem. I know they can get messed up. But it's got some nice blue stuff on it. And one blue worm. I don't know why only one. But I managed to, I already had a lot of parts because parts not fitting in the bikes I was already building, or just Temu had them really cheap, or I got good deals so I bought them anyways. Either way, I'm like $250 in parts plus $100 for the bike, like $350, and I have this bike fully built. But the plastics aren't going to be here for like 3 more weeks. But I'll just ride it without the plastics, I don't care. But since I did a blue bike and then I did the red bike, and my colors, as you see on my stickers, my logo, are always blue and red. So this time I decided I'm just going to mix it. And I was pulling together all the parts that I'm going to put on that bike. I got my handlebars, razors, it's all red, blah blah blah. I got upgraded carburetor, you know, red and blue of course. We got everything, man. Blocks for the adjusters. I got a red chain down there. I got red shifter, I got blue frame sliders, I got spoke covers, I got a blue seat cover, new gas cap, got quick twist throttles, I got all kinds of decals that are blue and red to put on there. I got red brake, blue roller, I got stunt pegs for the back axle, I got a blue easy pull, I got a red mirror, blue chain guide, some red and blue lights, all kinds of crap, man. Like, I got everything. Oh yeah, and there's the new seats right here. That's gonna get the blue seat cover on it. But that's 3 minutes, so I'm out. I mean, I got a lot of parts everywhere. Peace.